Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your BlueWallet. So let's get started. Tap open your BlueWallet application from your app drawer. The first interface will look like this. Tap on the Add Now button right under Add a Wallet, and in order to import an existing wallet or log into your existing wallet, tap on Import Wallet button on the display. Enter your seed words, your public key, your Wi-Fi or anything you've got. In my case, I'm gonna enter the secret words that I've previously backed up. Enter the phrases in the correct order and then tap on import. Soon after you do that, you will be able to import your BlueWallet back again. So that is how you can easily log into BlueWallet using secret recovery phrases. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.